So I'm in the Embassy of Poland. This is my main purpose why I was here today. I had to go to embassy, apply for the new passport and organize some other documents, but I can only do in Jakarta. I cannot do it anywhere elsewhere, only here, only in Jakarta, Indonesia. Not like maybe Australian or American can do it in Bali or consulate thing. I have to go to embassy, so that's why I done my job and now I gonna go somewhere. Interesting fact, as I think all these people wanna study in Poland. Interesting. Yo, what's up? I forgot to say yo, what's up, because I was very busy this morning actually in my embassy and everything. I had to change my return day. I should come back home today, but I have to come back tomorrow to Bali at morning. I will talk about that later. I had to change the hotel, so this is the view from my hotel also right now, which is actually not so bad. Today I'm in the central Jakarta. Here at the front is some huge construction and I think it's MRT station. Meanwhile, since I'm still in the hotel, I'm not going to explore it. I just want to talk a little bit about the smog in Jakarta. It's just terrible. It's like 4 times above the WHO limits, and I cannot see the buildings over there actually. Barely, it's really bad. And here we go, a little bit of the traffic here. It's nice actually, 4 lanes, but little traffic. I mean, I don't think so it's as that busy, right? So I'm outside now, and regarding the smoke, is serious thing actually in Jakarta. Long time ago I just read about that, and yesterday maybe I didn't feel that much, but now I can feel like it's so hard for me to breathe, and I don't feel like the air is not really fresh, that's what I can say. And that's how it looks like. Jakarta city center, very loud in general. Yeah, that's how it looks like. I'm gonna explore this direction today, which is the Jakarta Central, and we will see how it's there. All the center is there. Yesterday I was over there, there is the most, and also actually Jakarta Central. But today I wanna show you something interesting. I don't know, sorry, it's so hot in Jakarta. Right, so I'm walking to the Merdeka square, which is the central Jakarta, the most characteristic place in Jakarta actually. This side is worth to show you guys around, and that's how it looks. Meanwhile, the big city life. I will quickly explain you why I have to stay. So I was waiting for my result of my test. I got this at 7 o'clock at morning, which is negative. That's good, I can go. I wanted to book the flight, and unfortunately all flights back to Bali are sold out, all including the cheap airlines and Garuda Indonesia and just simply also totally nothing I can do. Only what I can do now is just chill the rest of the day today in Jakarta, show you a little bit around, and tomorrow at 9 I have a flight back to Bali. Meanwhile, big city life is so loud in Jakarta, guys, actually, I have to say. Very loud indeed. But it's in the center, it's quite busy, I have to say. Here at the front is Bank of Indonesia and some construction, I don't know. Nobody walk here in Jakarta. I'm only one person who walk on the streets of Jakarta. That's definitely for sure. In this city, nobody walk, everybody just drive around. And here we go, here is Danover Center, Bank Indonesia, big roundabout, traffic, skyscrapers, police, and there is the National Monument. I really want to go there, however, here is I think Mr. Sukarno, first president of Indonesia, but I'm not sure if I can get inside, so we will see. Meanwhile, that's how it looks like, big city life. So this is the main monument, National Monument. This is built for when Indonesia get independence, and it's 123 meters high, and I really wanted to go to the top because this is like a Indonesian Burj Khalifa or Paris Eiffel Tower, something like that. However, unfortunately it's closed due to you know what, so I don't know what should I do. Everything is closed in Jakarta, so it's hard to breathe, it's so hot and not much to do actually on my second day in Jakarta already. Somewhere here is the oldest McDonald's in Indonesia, the first one I wanna see. Alright, sitting in the city center, monument is closed, parks are still remains closed, and actually many things are closed. Nobody walk here. I'm not surprised why. I already like after going to the waterfall and come back feel, and I just walk 1.2 kilometers from my hotel, so that's how it looked like. And yeah, I don't know, there is the police over there checking something. Should be fine, but I don't know. Okay, I'm tired and little bit disappointed. I will have a coffee in Starbucks. I hope so it's open and will be no problem. Starbucks always good. Alright, that's how it looks like. Beside, I will work a little bit on my laptop, edit some video, maybe answer your comments, stuff like this. And later when it will be dark, I will explore more. Wow, I didn't know it's Jakarta have a tuk-tuks like. People are chilling around, the drivers. But well, it's not Bangkok, but still, right? I feel much better now. Let's explore a little bit more. It's already cooler. Sunset. I mean, no sunset in Jakarta, I think. I don't know. However, let's find some street food in this area. It's called Sabang street food. I hear this very nice here, so let's try it out. Alright, so the Akmani Hotel and the corner, and here is already the world famous Jakarta street food place, and the Songgorengan just at the front. And seems like it's quite busy over here. Maybe this is the traffic what's all people talking about in the yesterday's video. Sote. Nice. We will see if everything is open or not. It's quite busy here. Check this out. Nice. So basically here is the street food area, but they have also proper restaurants like this one, and in general it's very loud here. The car gonna, I think, park somewhere here. Have to go. It's just 5:30, so I'm not sure if all the street foods vendors they are open already. However, they also have a hog band here and stuff like this, so it's mixed. It's also very hard to walk here because the bikes left, right, left, right, so busy and so loud here, so have to be very careful. Also it's a little bit like a more colorful, people singing around, the security happy, smiling. I think not so many people coming here to make a vlogs, videos, because everybody are so nice to me actually, or looking for my money, I don't know. However, looks pretty decent. Lalapan, stuff like this. Yeah, also restaurants around, as you see. And here you can have even some seafood. Also Jakarta have an ocean front and they have a beach. If you don't know, just interesting fact. Alright, and the other side of the street is already Starbucks, so also characteristic place and some buildings, but it's not that busy actually, and it's not that a lot of things, maybe because of the current restrictions and stuff like this, right? There is a lot of constructions over there, and Jakarta escorts everywhere the same, right? Alright, don't really want to eat in the street food in the place where I'm not sure about, because obviously I don't know anything around here. Tomorrow morning I have a flight, so I'll have a little bit rest, and then I'm gonna go probably to somewhere eat in the safe place, maybe in the mall again. Well, this is Jakarta, so the malls are everywhere, so that's actually good. That's what it looks like here. Also, at the front, some big construction. Everywhere is construction in Jakarta. That's very interesting actually. I wasn't expect that during current conditions. And also Jakarta wanna move the capital city to Borneo in the future, or Kalimantan, I forgot. But everywhere seems all the time is construction here in Jakarta. So that's actually quite interesting during the current limitations and current conditions. So that's very interesting fact in my opinion. Alright, just arrived to the Plaza Indonesia Mall, which is the most fancy and the most high-end mall in Indonesia, in Jakarta, but in Indonesia in general. This is a little bit like a Marina Bay Sands in Singapore, but Indonesian version. And it's easy, fine. Actually, nobody asked me for here to certificate or any documents. I just arrived, and also the area outside is very local. So high-end mall, and the outside is just very local, really local. You will see on the video right now. Here we go. We have here Gucci, Louis Vuitton at the front, Bulgari, stuff like this, the top-notch brands. So if you are rich Indonesian, wealthy, or you are tourist, wanna spend money in Indonesia, here we go. Beautiful shop with Dior, Louis Vuitton at the front, and many other very nice prestigious brands. If you're interested, interesting fact to show you guys around. It's not that busy like in the yesterday's mall, but yeah, well, obviously this is a little bit different interest, but that's how it looked like. So in general, just realized this mall is very quiet. This is like an optic and stuff like this. I'm looking for food section, however, iBox quiet. Here is quiet compared to yesterday's. And also many restaurants are closed like this. I think Chinese restaurant, and here something Western closed. So that's not that busy, but maybe that's the different type of the mall, right? All right, and arrived to the food court or dining place, but seems like in this mall it doesn't prospering well. Everything is almost closed here, so I don't know why, but I feel like not really comfortable in this mall. Even Starbucks is empty here, everything is empty. I don't know, just yesterday's mall is just opposite way, just next to it, but this one is totally closed. So I'm gonna grab some food, and tomorrow I have a flight at morning. So all right, and the last view from the main lobby. Like I said, similar to the malls in other big cities in Southeast Asia. More like mall, right? But empty. Here is empty. Actually, here is empty. Alright guys, got my coffee and have a dinner in Burger King tonight. So something Western finally. I had to eat something because I didn't eat anything today since the breakfast in the hotel, so it was a good time to eat something solid. Now coffee, last coffee. Tomorrow morning I'm going back to Bali, so tomorrow will be vlog probably how is to travel from Jakarta to Bali and how it looks the life. And meanwhile, I think that's it for today's vlog. I hope so you enjoyed my short trip to Jakarta. I will be come back here for sure because I have to have another few visits in Jakarta, in my embassy, and maybe next time I will explore a little bit of North Jakarta, because North Jakarta is also very interesting. Maybe, or you can comment below what you would like to see from Jakarta, and if you did you enjoy the trip in Jakarta. Anyway, thank you so much, and see you tomorrow as always. See ya, take care guys.